everyone, welcome to the review video of Gold Rush. So today we are inside the members area of Gold Rush and I'll explain you in detail of what Gold Rush is all about and what you can benefit out of this info course. So what is actually Gold Rush all about? So in Gold Rush you get a 5 over the shoulder video case studies from newbies that are making $176 per day using Gold Rush system. So and you get 20 video modules on setting up the entire Gold Rush system and high quality traffic accelerators to drive buyers from FB, Instagram, Bing, Google and solo ads. FB Mastermind access to Gold Rush to share ideas and grab new money making methods. Highest quality 24/7 support for any questions. Completely free traffic methods, 100 proven system that works over and over again. And you also get a money back guarantee in case if this doesn't work for you, you can always go for this money back guarantee. So I'll just go inside the members area of Gold Rush and I'll just walk through you of what it has inside the members area. So here we are inside the members area. You get welcome to Gold Rush, a video by Johnny Rose, and again in section 1, well, let's see what he has for us. Introduction to Snapchat training and Snapchat overview, Snapchat app installation, creating your snap code, using Bitmoji to create your snap code, creating snap content, Snapchat camera controls, adding text to a snap, adding annotations to a snap. That's 1, 2 and 3. You have 3 parts. Snapchat send option, Snapchat stories part 1, Snapchat stories part 2, Snapchat ad account setup, Snapchat ad account interface, Snapchat ad account interface 2, uploading your catalog to the ads platform, more detailed objectives in the ad platform, creating team members in the ad account, and conclusion of main Snapchat training. And let's see what we have in section 2. Okay, in section 2, this is where he told you that the case studies will be found. So introduction to Snapchat case studies and how I make $1,000 per month with Snapchat, and setting up a profitable max bounty campaign, copying the other people's CPA ads, snap ads quickly like Fiverr hack, and growing and selling Snapchat accounts for $100+ $800 per pay per call and Snapchat campaign. And then you have the conclusion. Yeah, that's it. And you also have unannounced bonuses, free traffic bonuses, and the upgrades. So these are the things you will find inside the members area. And actually this Gold Rush is all about using Snapchat and earning. So how to use Snapchat and earn, that is all about Gold Rush. So let's see in detail of what are the uses that you get out of this Snapchat. So all you have to spend is just 15 minutes in setting up this Gold Rush system and be prepared to start making those easy commissions without paying or anything. This is like a one-time payment and it drives free traffic. So all you have to do is just set it up and it takes only 15 minutes. So you don't need an email list. It's an evergreen method, perfect for newbies. No YouTube required, no video making required. You have 5 case studies inside, no monthly fees ever, and you have a 24/7 income stream, 30-day money back guarantee. So it's like an awesome system for the newbies, and all you need is a 15 minutes of the setting up of the account. So freelancers, bloggers, newbies, marketers, YouTubers, drop shippers, anyone who wants to improve their financial standing fast can go for this, and it's absolutely an awesome system, I would say. Okay, let's see what are the bonuses that you're going to get with this package. First, I'll just walk through you through the member bonuses, and then the vendor bonuses, and then I'll just show you what are the exclusive bonuses that are going to be added to this purchase. So let's just see what are the vendor bonuses we are getting with this product. Bonus number 1 is Master FB Ads, and bonus number 2 is Master Bing Ads, and bonus number 3 is Master Google AdWords. Bonus number 4 is Solo Ads Mastery. Bonus number 5 is Instagram Mastery. So these are the 5 bonuses you get with this product. That is, these are the 5 vendor bonuses, and let's see what are the exclusive bonuses that you get with this product. So exclusive bonus number 1 is access to Octane Pro. So this is a software, a revolutionary all-in-one newbie solution for monetizing videos. So this will be bonus number 1. You get access to Octane Pro, and this is valid only for first 12 hours. So if you purchase the product within first 12 hours of the launch, you get access to this bonus. And let's see what is the bonus number 2. Bonus number 2 is how to get free traffic from YouTube. So that will be bonus number 2, and let's see what is the bonus number 3. You see here, generating insane free traffic from Instagram. That will be bonus number 3, and bonus number 4 is you get Fugo Breakout. That's an software again. So that will be bonus number 4, and the 5th special bonus is you get access to all the vendor bonuses. So on the whole, you get 9 bonuses with this product, and it's worth. And let me just walk through you to the funnel. So the front end is $9.45 of Gold Rush, and so if you purchase this product, the front end price is $9.45, and OTO 1 is $27. So let's see what OTO 1, the upsell one, gives you. This is the upgraded course which contains 20 advanced video modules that will bring your business to next level with Snapchat. Pro version contains more in-depth training. So yeah, you get extra 20 advanced video modules with this Gold Rush Pro, which is $27, and upsell number 2 is Gold Rush DFY, which is again the upsell is $47 and the downsell is $27. And here what you get is you save hundreds of hours of work, 60,000 plus Snapchat templates, motivational, inspirational quotes for MMO, entrepreneurs, business, etc. So that's what upsell number 2 gives you. And upsell number 3 is Gold Rush Profile Booster, which is $147, and the downsell is $97. You'll be able to boost your Snapchat profiles with 300 followers. 300 plus followers done for you with no extra work involved. This will give you social proof, engagement, and more visibility. There are not bot clicks. These are not boot clicks, but actual real profiles. Wow, that's upsell number 3. And upsell number 4 is Gold Rush Coaching, which is $77. It is like an hour of one-to-one coaching, conversation and collaboration, where buyers can get your Snap accounts reviewed by me, discuss any stumbling blocks. This one is like you get a direct contact with the coach, and it's like one-on-one coaching, and that's great. So you can discuss anything, whatever hindrances or stumbling block you have in this product, or you can ask anything regarding this internet marketing things. So that's $77. And upsell number 5 is Gold Sell Resell Rights. So keep the profits when you resell Gold Rush to friends, family, and email list or social media audience. Buy the resell rights and enjoy. Johnny will bump you to commissions throughout the entire sales funnel. So these are the upsells and the downsells. So you can just go for it. I think you've got a clear picture of what Gold Rush is all about, and also the bonuses that are going to be added to the product. And regarding the access to the bonuses, let me just show you how you can access the bonuses. After the purchase of the product, all you have to do is go to the Warrior Plus account and then click on the purchase. And here, first of all, you can access your purchase here, which is the green button. And once you click the blue button in the orders page, you can access the affiliate bonuses. So that's how it's going to be. And this is an awesome product, I would say, because using Snapchat is like there are many courses that gives you Facebook or Google, like driving traffic, free traffic from Facebook, Google, etc. So you have a lot of competition in those Facebook and YouTube. But Snapchat is something new, so you don't have much competition, and as a newbie, you don't have to be like more into it. This is just a 15-minute setup system, and you have a clear video tutorial of how you have to set it up, how you can run it and start earning. And you also have a one-on-one coaching if you are going for the upsell, which is $77. So I would say this is really an awesome product for newbies, and please go for this. I'll just show you how to below the video, all you have to do is click the link, and you will be directed to this page. And once you click this yellow button, click here to secure your copy and bonuses. You have throughout the page you have this yellow button, so if you just click, you will be redirected to the sales page. And once you're redirected to the sales page, you have more information about the product, more testimonials by the beta users who have used the product. So you can also have a look at all those things. Yeah, here we are inside the sales page, so you can just have a look, and this will give you more idea about the product. So I would say you have to go through this once again, and make sure that you get to know this completely, what the product is all about. And I've given you all the details. Yeah. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, so all you have to do is just click this yellow button in the sales page. This will redirect you to the payment option, the payment mode, and all you have to do is purchase it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching the video. And if you like the video, please subscribe so that you get more and more updates about the upcoming products. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.